whether your startup is going to work or not if you don't test it in the market. So to test that, I'll do the same thing. I'll actually start with this business model canvas, fill in this business model canvas, and then set up a survey, like a very simple survey on the Google Forms. So what you could do is actually, Google Forms is free. So you can create a survey on Google Forms where you can actually ask questions about your startups. This is free online surveys for personal use. You can actually go to Google surveys and create questions about your startups, and then you can send it to the people. There are some pre-ready-made surveys that are there, but you can sort of like just start from a blank. Very simple. For example, this is whatever. For example, if I have to do a laundry startup survey, I would just say laundry app survey, and then I'll ask a few questions, and probably one of the questions, and these questions would actually come from my business model canvas. So if value proposition is convenience and quick service, so my survey question would be, how important is convenience for you in delivery and things like that. If my value proposition is that I want dry clean, people would need dry clean, wash, iron, folded. So my question probably would be something like, which of these services are you most likely to use? Which of these services? And so these services could be, and then you will actually mention these services. Sorry. You choose not multiple chalks but checkbox, and just you add over all of these services over here: dry cleaning, washing, ironing, folding. And once you are ready to that, you can just press on the send, and it will give you the link. You can actually copy this link and share it on your Facebook profile and Twitter, and ask people or your friends to survey, or you can send them a message and ask them to fill this survey for you. And this will give you a good validation of whether your startup is going to work or not. So that's the very first thing that you have to do, Bhargavi. Okay,